Just took it off. This is what we're looking at right now. Hi, how are you? This is Dave with Excursion America. Tonight we're going to be cooking some rainbow trout on the grill. We're going to wrap them in foil. We'll be applying olive oil, butter, some garlic salt, Old Bay, and some other seasoning. So tune in. Hey, good evening. This is Dave with Excursion America. We're about to do some rainbow trout grilling. We're going to apply some cilantro on it. We've got some onions, salt, pepper, corn, garlic salt. We've got some olive oil and some lime juice and some butter. We're going to use some foil here. And some tricks I like to do is lots of times you get that surface burned, so I'll put some butter down right here, and then I'm going to apply a little olive oil on the bottom right there and spread it around, make sure nothing burns. Okay, we put a couple teaspoons of olive oil down. We're going to take this butter and we're just going to rub that around right there and lather that up. Make sure nothing burns. That butter and that olive oil get into the fish. It'll be delicious. This might make it a little longer, I guess. And I'm just putting a little cilantro. I just picked on that. I'll put a little black peppercorn, salt, a little Old Bay. Garlic salt, and we'll take a couple of these onion slices, put it there, and that lime's going to come in very handy with that fish scent. Put a little lime juice down on there. We're going to use 2 layers of foil to make sure nothing leaks out to mitigate any fires. Okay, what we did with this rainbow trout was cut it in the middle, gutted it, got some cilantro, onions, got some Old Bay, some garlic salt, lime, and some olive oil. And I put the olive oil and stuff on the base too, and some butter. Just gonna wrap it up. And I also put some fries in there. They'll be cooking about 10 minutes longer. I've got some seasoning and some cheese on there, so should be a pretty good meal. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead, put this on a little hotter, and go ahead and get the fries on. 603, let's let them cook for about 10 minutes. We're going to flip them 4 times by every 2 minutes, and then we'll leave them on. We'll put the trout on and we'll adjust the temperature, make it a little bit lower. I like to cook it a little lower, keep the moisture in there. We've also put butter, olive oil, and the onions, so it should stay fairly hydrated. It's not going to leak out of that foil. Okay, we've got the fries right here, wrapped up, seasoned, and got some cheese. They've been on there for about 7.5 minutes. Now I'm going to put the rainbow trout on. I'm going to lower the temperature back now. We're going to use more of an oven effect to close the top. So, kind of compare that meatloaf in the oven. Cooked a little quicker at 400 as opposed to the 350 times. And look at that meat right there. Just coming right off the bone. You gotta be careful with the bones, but oh, that looks delicious. Look at those cheese fries. Cook them a little bit longer than last time. They should be a little bit crispier. Still a little bit soft, delicious. So let's dig in. Hey, well, I hope you enjoyed. The trout was pretty good. I cooked it for 18 minutes at about 400. I should have cooked it about 3 or 4 minutes longer. It wasn't bad. It was still white, but it could have been just a little bit undercooked. Fries were good, nice and moist. If you like them crispier, cook them longer. I cooked them for about 23 to 25 minutes. So, excursion's coming soon. See you later.